channel. I hope you guys are enjoying your little quarantine time and your time with your family. Hope you guys are washing your hands, keeping safe, and just taking this time to at least connect with your family and you know, try to get some business ideas out there. This is a great time to have some business ideas, or getting a business off the ground, or something that you've always wanted to do. This is a great time for it while you're home. So today we're going to be starting with this meal that it's not a specific meal that I'm cooking. It's something I used ingredients that I found in my fridge. So I have some ribeye steak that's been marinated with some Haitian marinade. I have some chicken, some broccoli, sorted veggies here, and some cabbage. So I'm just gonna go freestyle it. If you guys want to follow along, work with me. You guys can do the same thing, and or, you know, do your own thing. So we'll see what I can come up with. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the chicken. I have some teriyaki sauce that I made from my hibachi meal the other day. We're just gonna make some teriyaki chicken and teriyaki steak, and with, mixed veggies. And that's gonna have some Haitian marinade on that one, and then some rice with it. So let's go ahead and get started. I have the oil heating up right now. Go ahead and throw my chicken on there. I'm by myself right now. And guys, I wash my hands, and you should too, every time. That's always been my motto, even before this quarantine. Go ahead and wash your hands all the time. Start off with my total seasoning. Always put some of that on there. And adobo seasoning. I am by myself holding the camera. Sorry guys if you can't see nothing. Some adobo, a little bit. And just mix that around. Alright, the chicken's been cooking for about 3 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead and add some butter for flavor. A couple pieces of butter. 2 pieces of butter. Melt that in there. Go ahead and get that butter flavoring on there. And then I'll add the leftover, once that's done cooking, I'm gonna add the leftover teriyaki sauce. Alright, I've just added the teriyaki sauce on there. I'm gonna cover it for about 2 minutes and the chicken will be done. Chicken should be real simple, because since you cut the chicken down in little bits, it takes a few minutes, man, to cook the chicken. So it should be easy. Alright, next we have the marinated steak. Go ahead and cook that down. Go ahead and just you can season your steak any way you like it. I don't like telling you what I put, because some people don't like what I put in it. But I have the Haitian marinade, which if you haven't seen that video, I have a video of that on the description, or in the description. And I just season it with salt, pepper, and total seasoning, a bunch of stuff. Okay, so the steak is done, and the next thing we're going to do is saute and cook the veggies. I'm going to start off with the broccoli first, and soon after it starts cooking, maybe like a minute after, I'm going to go ahead and put the cabbage next. And that way they can be, because they're the hardest veggies right now that I have that I need to cook. And I don't want them to cook last. So I'm going to cook these first, and then I'll throw in the red peppers, green peppers, and onions. The onions will be last. All right, let me show you guys what to do. So this has been cooking for about a minute. And what I have in the pan is a little bit of olive oil and some butter, and I'm going to add some more butter in a second. So let's go ahead and cook the cabbage, let that soften. All right. And And then I'm going to throw some pieces of butter on there. And I'll be right with you guys. All right, the cabbage wilted a little bit. So what I'm going to do is going to add some of this, more of this total seasoning. And this next part that I'm going to do is optional. If you don't have the Haitian marinade, which again, the video will be in the description below. If you don't have that, then it's perfectly fine with just putting like the perfect seasoning, butter, and that's really it. Just perfect seasoning and butter. Me, I like a little bit more extra flavor into mine, so I'm going to add the Haitian seasoning, just a tad bit. I'm going to show you what I do. All right, so here's the piece, the Haitian seasoning. I'll just grab about a tablespoon and put that in here, and that'll be enough. And then I'll go ahead and grab my red peppers and green peppers. Go ahead and get those started. Really beautiful colors. I love it. Mix that up. You guys should smell it. The aroma. All right, let me go ahead and mix this with both hands, and I need the other hand to hold the pan, and I'll be right back. All right, I added the white onions in there. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up, and I'll let this cook for literally probably 2 more minutes. Because again, I like my veggies firm, yet steamed. So I don't like it too soft, so I'm gonna cover this for 2 minutes, let it soften up just a tad, and then I'm gonna take it out. All right, lastly is the rice. I have frozen veggies right here. I'm going to saute this up first, and then I'll grab the white rice that's already been cooked. It's been in the fridge. I'll throw it in the pan, throw a little bit of soy sauce in there, and it's all done. Real simple, but I'll go ahead and show you guys the step again. All right, so I'll put the rice in there. I'm just going to mix it in. Mix it all together. I also throw a couple cubes of butter in there, just to break it down, and a little bit of soy sauce. I may not even put soy sauce. Actually, I'm probably not going to put soy sauce in this one. Just going to cook it with butter, and we'll be done. All right, guys, I lied. I'm going to put a little bit of my teriyaki sauce that I had in it, that I had made before. I'm going to put some in here and then mix it up. So, I'll mix this up. You guys don't understand how good this is. I already tasted it. It was good without the teriyaki sauce. I just didn't want the teriyaki sauce to go to waste, so I just went ahead and used it with this batch of rice. But I think this teriyaki sauce has another good day in the fridge, and that's it. So this is it, and I'll show you guys the plated version. All right, here's the final version. We got the rice, the sauteed veggies, and the teriyaki chicken with steak. Let's take a look at that, guys. Very fast meal, extremely fast, especially if you prep this all in advance. Extremely fast. Whatever I had in my fridge and in my pantry. So if you guys like what you see, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll be back again. I don't know when, but I'll be back. Look at this. Ooh, look at these plates. Everybody's gonna enjoy this. All right, comment if you like what you see. Let me know, guys. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.